How to pay with credit card in Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz. Log into your account and search for the product you want to purchase. Once you find it, click on the product and then select the Add to Cart button. After adding all the products you need, go to your cart by clicking on the basket icon at the top right corner. Next, select the products you want to check out and click on Proceed to Checkout. On the checkout page, you will see different payment options. Choose Pay with Credit Card. Enter your card details carefully, including your card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Double check all the information and confirm your payment. If your bank requires SMS verification or an OTP code, enter it to complete the transaction. Once your payment is successful, you will see a confirmation message and receive an electronic receipt in your personal account. Now you know how to pay with a credit card in Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more online shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.